Chapter: Solids, Liquids, and Gases. Matter. You see many things in this world, like human beings, animals, plants, air, soil, water, plastic, metals, wood, paper, etc. All these things are made of matter. Anything that occupies space and has weight is matter. There are three types of matter that are solids, liquids, and gases. Molecules. All matter can be split into tiny units that are not visible to the naked eye. These tiny units are called molecules. Take some crystals of sugar. Crush it with the help of a rolling pin. The sugar crystals become powder. Observe this powder through a magnifying glass. You will see that this powder is made of tiny particles. These particles are made up of sugar molecules. Properties of molecules. Some common properties of molecules are given below. W molecules cannot be seen. W molecules of various substances have different weight, shape, and size. Arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid, and gas. We have learnt that there are three forms of matter, i.e. solid, liquid, and gas. How are molecules in solid, liquid, and gas arranged? Molecules in a solid have no intermolecular space between molecules, so they cannot move, are held together by a strong pull, have a fixed shape and volume, are arranged in a pattern, are very close to each other. Molecules in a liquid have a fixed volume but no fixed shape, have small intermolecular spaces so they can move, are not very close to each other, are not arranged in any particular pattern, are held together by a weaker pull. Molecules in a gas move at a great speed in all directions, exert a weak pull on each other, are far apart with large intermolecular spaces, are not arranged in any particular pattern, are loosely packed and keep moving. Solutions. A simple solution is basically comprised of two substances that are mixed together. One of them is called the solute. A solute is the substance to be dissolved, for example, sugar. The other is a solvent. The solvent is the substance in which the solute dissolves, for example, water. A solution is a homogeneous mixture in which the molecules of the solute are distributed uniformly throughout the solvent. There is another type of mixture called heterogeneous mixture. In this type of mixture, there is no blending of the substances. The substances of the mixture are distinctly visible. How is a solution saturated? What happens if we keep on adding salt to a salt water solution? If we keep on adding salt to water and keep on stirring, after some time, no more salt would dissolve because the solution is saturated, filled up. The water gets saturated with salt because all its intermolecular spaces are occupied. Types of solutions. Liquid solution. Liquids that dissolve in water are called miscible liquids. Liquids that do not dissolve in water are called immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids dissolved in water make a liquid solution. Liquid gas solution. What happens when we boil water? When we boil water, bubbles form on the sides of the vessel. These are bubbles of the gases that are dissolved in water. So, water is an example of liquid gas solution. Carbon dioxide is added to aerated drinks to give it a fizz. Solid solution. Solid solutions are not easy to make. They start off as solid liquid/gas liquid solutions and then harden at room temperature. Different types of metals are melted together and then hardened to make alloys, steel. These are examples of solid solutions.